Saw palmetto benefits the prostate and stops hair loss. Saw palmetto benefits have been known for a long time. The saw palmetto plant was used for medicine by the Native Americans of the southeastern United States, and in the early 20th century, men used the berries to treat urinary tract problems and increase sperm production. Today, saw palmetto supplements are one of the most commonly consumed supplements by men with prostate cancer and benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. In fact, in 2011, over $18 million in saw palmetto was sold in the United States, ranking it third among herbal dietary supplements. Saw palmetto has the power to treat colds, coughs and sore throat, and it works as a natural remedy for asthma, chronic bronchitis, chronic pelvic pain syndrome and migraine headaches. It's also used to increase urine flow, promote relaxation and enhance sexual drive. Saw palmetto and the prostate. The most important factor about saw palmetto is that it's been shown to slow the production of the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, so taking it is a strong step to improve prostate health. This enzyme converts the male hormone testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a sex steroid and androgen hormone. While DHT is important because it plays a role in male development, it also contributes to many common health issues in men, such as loss of libido, an enlarged prostate and hair loss. By taking saw palmetto supplements or using the extract of this beneficial plant, you inhibit the production of this hormone and avoid these issues that are seen in middle-aged and older males. The prostate's job is to make some of the fluid that protects and nourishes sperm cells in semen, making the semen more liquid. Just behind the prostate are glands called seminal vesicles that make most of the fluid for semen. The urethra, the tube that carries urine and semen out of the body through the penis, goes through the center of the prostate. The prostate is a gland found only in males, and it's located below the urinary bladder and in front of the rectum. The size of the prostate changes with age. It's about the size of a walnut in younger men, but it can grow to be much larger in older men, and this can become problematic. The prostate starts to develop before birth, and fold by male hormones called androgens. It grows rapidly during puberty. The main androgen, testosterone, is made in the testicles. The enzyme 5-alpha reductase converts testosterone into DHT. DHT is the main hormone that signals the prostate to grow. The prostate usually stays at about the same size or grows slowly in adults, as long as male hormones are present. It's when the prostate becomes enlarged that men begin experiencing symptoms from BPH and lower urinary tract issues. The saw palmetto plant. Saw palmetto extract is taken from the deep purple berries of the saw palmetto fan palm, which is known as Serenoa repens. Saw palmetto is a fan palm that grows as a tree or shrub and has lush, green leaves that fan out from its thorn stem. It can reach heights of 10 feet in warm climates, with leaf clusters that can reach 2 feet or more. The plant is a native of West Indies, and in the United States, saw palmetto grows in the warm climates of the southeast coast, from South Carolina to throughout Florida. Saw palmetto benefits have been known for centuries, and the plant has been used in traditional, eclectic and alternative medicine. Its active ingredients include fatty acids, plant sterols and flavonoids. The berries also contain high molecular weight polysaccharides, sugars, which may reduce inflammation that's at the root of most diseases and strengthen the immune system, thus adding immune system booster to the list of saw palmetto benefits. 5 saw palmetto benefits. 1. Treats benign prostatic hypertrophy, BPH. The most common form of an enlarged prostate is benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. The prostate gland can become inflamed or enlarged as men get older. The prostate then compresses the urethra, leading to difficulty with urination that results in bladder infections or bladder stones. BPH can be caused by a variety of circumstances, including hormonal changes, such as excess estrogen, deteriorating blood vessels, and a zinc deficiency. The American Urological Association reports that by the age of 60, over 50% of men will have BPH, and by age 85, 90% of men will have this condition. To add to this, 1/4 of these men will develop moderate to severe lower urinary tract symptoms that will greatly affect their quality of life. Research shows that saw palmetto inhibits testosterone from binding to and stimulating prostate cells, which reduces the multiplication of prostatic cells and prostatic enlargement. Other treatments for BPH, alpha blockers and 5-alpha reductase inhibitors cause sexual dysfunctions themselves, while saw palmetto is a natural supplement that doesn't have a long list of side effects. That makes it one of the best sources to increase testosterone naturally and improve prostate health the natural way. One 2012 study conducted in Switzerland analyzed 82 patients in an 8-week trial. The patients took 1 capsule of 320 mg saw palmetto extract daily. At the end of the treatment, the International Prostate Symptom Score was reduced from 14.4 ± 4.7 to 6.9 ± 5.2. Investigators and patients' assessments confirmed the good efficacy, and treatment was very well tolerated and accepted by the patients. 2. Reduces risk of prostate cancer. A systematic literature review of 11 studies identified saw palmetto supplements as one of the 5 commonly used forms of alternative medicine by men with prostate cancer. Saw palmetto supplements work as 5-alpha reductase inhibitors, meaning they slow down the conversion of testosterone to DHT by blocking the enzyme and preventing its formation. According to research, DHT is responsible for prostate enlargement, which may be a cause of prostate cancer. The science is still unclear on this matter, but studies on 2,5-alpha reductase inhibitor prescriptions, finasteride, Proscar, and dutasteride, Avodart, found that men taking either drug were less likely to develop prostate cancer after several years than men getting an inactive placebo. The problem lies in the side effects of these medications. They can cause sexual side effects, such as lowered sexual desire and impotence. Saw palmetto, on the other hand, can also inhibit DHT and help with urinary problems from BPH, such as trouble urinating and leaking urine, plus it regulates your testosterone levels, helps with libido and works as a natural remedy for impotence. Studies have also found that saw palmetto inhibits the growth of prostatic cancer cells and may destroy dangerous cells. A study conducted at the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology in Beijing found that saw palmetto induced growth arrest of prostate cancer LNCAP, DU145 and PC3 cells and down-regulated DHT, the hormone that leads to prostate enlargement. Another interesting note about saw palmetto is the research that has been done to measure its effect on post-surgery recovery time. Prostate surgery, known as transurethral resection of the prostate or TURP, can require a lengthy recovery period, but research shows that taking 320 mg of saw palmetto daily for 2 months before prostate surgery can reduce the time spent in surgery. It also helps with blood loss, the development of problems during surgery and the total time spent in the hospital. 3. Helps with hair loss. Saw palmetto extracts and supplements work as hair loss remedies because they keep testosterone levels balanced. As men age, the testosterone hormone is diminished and the hormone called 5-alpha dihydrotestosterone, DHT, increases. The cause of hair loss is due to the hair follicle's sensitivity to DHT, which is a male androgen hormone that causes follicles to shrink, resulting in a shorter lifespan and decrease of hair production. Normally after hairs fall out, another hair starts to grow from this same follicle, but if DHT is high, hair growth decreases. Saw palmetto has the power to stop the conversion of testosterone into DHT, making it beneficial for hair growth. Although the options about saw palmetto as an effective hair growth agent are mixed, There are studies that indicate its use as beneficial. One study conducted at the Clinical Research and Development Network in Colorado tested 34 men and 28 women, aged 18-48 years, who tropically applied saw palmetto extract in lotion and shampoo base for 3 months. The results found that 35% of the participants had an increase in hair density.